Good evening, students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the purification of colloidal solution. When colloidal solutions are being prepared by different methods, it contains excess amount of electrolyte in it. But some amount of electrolyte is essential for the stability of the colloidal solution. So the excess amount of electrolyte which is present in the colloidal solution is present as impurity. So the impurity present in the colloidal solution, which is known as your electrolyte or true particle or simply crystalloid, they have to be removed from the impure colloidal solution to obtain pure colloidal solution. So this is your purification. Now the purification of colloidal solution can be carried out by using a very important method, that is your dialysis. That is your dialysis. Student, you know what is the meaning of dialysis in medication term? यदि आपको कोई पूछे कि डायलिसिस क्या है, तो एक आम बोलचाल की भाषा में हम लोग कहते हैं कि when the kidney will not perform a normal function, then we use dialysis. क्योंकि आप जानते हो, सिंपल शब्दों में हम कह सकते हैं, दैट इज इन द लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज, द फंक्शन ऑफ किडनी इज टू रिटेन द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन द बॉडी एंड टू एक्सक्रीट द यूजलेस थिंग्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी. तो जब ये काम बंद हो जाता है, वैसे केस में हमें डायलिसिस की जरूरत पड़ती है. So similarly, when true particle or your electrolyte or crystalloid is present as impurity in the colloidal solution, then dialysis is carried out to purify it. So we may write the definition: when crystalloid or true particle is present as impurity in the colloidal solution, then it is being purified by dialysis. Purified by dialysis. Or you can say dialysis is defined as the process in which a impure colloid is purified when the impurities are soluble, crystalloid, or your true particle or your electrolyte. Now, what we do actually in the process of dialysis, we take a dialysing membrane, which is also known as dialyzer, colloidal, you can say dialysing bag or colloidal bag. In this colloidal bag or in this dialysing membrane, we place impure colloidal solution. Now this membrane, this dialysing membrane, you can see, this membrane is made up of your cellophane or parchment which will allow the true particle to flow and it will not allow to move the colloidal particle. Because you know the true particle is your less than 1 nanometer, जबकि colloidal particle आपका 1 नैनोमीटर से लार्ज और 100 नैनोमीटर से छोटा होता है. So what happens? This is your dialyzing membrane. In this dialyzing membrane, we put the impure colloidal solution which contain your colloidal particle and crystal void and impurity. Your crystal void has size less than 1 nanometer and it is being suspended in fresh running water. This is your fresh running water. इसमें आपने suspend कर दिया. Then what will happen? Then your pure colloidal particle, that is your salt particle, it will remain in the dialyzing membrane while the crystal void will move in your water. So what happens in outlet? We can say in outlet we have water plus your crystal void, water plus your electrolyte. So both will be in outlet, that is your water as well as your electrolyte. However, in this colloidal bag we have only colloidal particle or we have only the salt particle. Now this ordinary dialysis process is very slow. It takes a lot of time to purify the impure colloidal solution. Now the question is how we can fasten the process of dialysis. We can fasten the process of dialysis by applying an electric field through it, and then the process is known as your electrodialysis. Then the process is known as your electrodialysis. The process of dialysis is very slow, therefore to increase the rate an electric field is applied, through it, then it is called electrodialysis. तो उस केस में क्या करेंगे आप? इसको साफ फास्टेन करना है. Then what we have to do? Let us suppose in that case we have your, this is anode. Say this is your anode. ये आप anode लगा दीजिए, positive terminal, and say this is your cathode. This is your cathode. This we have your cathode. This we have your cathode. Cathode which is your negative terminal. Now what happens? As your electrolyte is impurity, your impurity is electrolyte. That electrolyte, it will carry both charge, positive charge and negative charge. So what happens, since anode is your positive charge, so what will happen? This negative ion, the negative ion of electrolyte, it will move towards anode, and the positively charged ion of your electrolyte, it will move through your cathode. तो ये आपको कैथोड की ओर मूव किया, और नेगेटिव चार्ज जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का है, मान लीजिए इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज योर XY, X is positive charge, Y is negative charge. तो positive charge will move to cathode and the negative charge will move to anode. In this way, we can separate impure colloidal solution in a faster rate. Then this process is referred as your electrodialysis. I hope you must have understand how we can purify the colloidal solution by using dialysis and your electrodialysis.